Hi folks, I'm here in Gujarat in the west of India, where I'm on a mission to deepen the already incredibly close friendship and partnership between the UK and India. You may not know, India is the number 2 investor in the UK, probably responsible for about 95,000 jobs already. We've got another £1 billion coming in just today as a result of the investments that we're seeing. That will drive a further 11,000 jobs. But that still doesn't do justice to the strength of the relationship. I'm here in a huge, brand new JCB factory in India. It's one of 6 JCB factories. You may not believe it. Here in India, they make 60,000 JCBs, British technology, sold to 110 countries around the world. That is the strength of the partnership between Britain